For wash and cleaning, you often need a relatively high pressure, and using a conventional pump, you will get a rather bulky and large installation. Besides that, you are not utilizing the full power of the motor in the actual operating point. In industrial wash and clean applications, for instance slaughterhouses, some of the requirements are compact physical design and the ability to operate in harsh environment like high humidity and warm ambient temperature. They are often built into cabinets or hauled around on carts, and that sets some limitations to the physical size of the pump. You can see this is a typical wash and cleaning pump, which is equipped with an oversized motor operating over synchronous at 6,000 RPM. And that means you are able to shrink the pump down to a much smaller size. If we were delivering the same pressure with a conventional pump, the pump part would be 1.25 meters, where this is below 40 centimeters. So we have half the total height of the system. And thereby you can build it into small cabinets you can hang on the wall, or you can mount it in a cart which you can haul around in your production facility. This comes fully tested and assembled. You don't have to do any wiring or programming. It comes ready to run. You just attach water and electricity to the system and you're good to go. What you get is a compact, robust, pre-assembled system that is customized to your application. It makes it possible to build an advanced and compact high-performance system with less installation and engineering time spent.